Welcome to another episode on Lilian's couch. Hey, Okay, anyways guys, so today I'm going to be talking about social media fake friends. People confuse social media fake friends for real friends. Do not. Yes, I understand that people meet friends online on social media and they become friends later, real life, they get to meet each other. Yeah, in a way you can meet good friends on social media and then you meet in real life and you guys are, all chummy and genuinely friends, right? But then again, it has its ups and downs. As usual, everything in life has its ups and downs, positive, negative. So you see people rooting for you, or maybe when you post a shoot, for instance, you're naked or whatever, you see people there, oh my god, you look so nice. Some people genuinely think you look nice and you look beautiful, right? But you see some haters, they will be the first to probably comment love struck, as the love struck has not even sent. You're seeing them already saying, this girl, she's so stupid, so cheap, so this, so that. Do you know, funny enough, this happened recently. I was somewhere with someone and then she was commenting on the picture, a positive comment, and then the next thing she goes like, this girl, her own is getting too much. Who does she think she is? She's just overdoing it. Can't she calm down? Can't she slow down? And I'm like, girl, you just commented sexy with love struck. Why are you trying to run the person down? In my mind, I'm like, and this person will see that comment and obviously reply. I'm like, I guess thank you so much, but she wouldn't obviously know this is happening, right? So I've gotten to realize that not everybody genuinely are happy for your success. Me, if you go to my page and you comment love struck, okay, so even if I know you don't like me, okay, no problem, I'll comment, kiss you, reply you back, because you know what, I probably don't see you, you don't have my phone number, I don't know you. You do understand what I mean? Because at the end of the day, there are a lot of haters in this world. Some people they do not understand. They don't know how to be happy for someone. They don't know how to do it. They don't just know how inside their heart, they will be genuinely smiling that, oh, this person is getting it. But you don't know that when you're happy for someone else, good things will happen to you. That's life. I'm telling you, you see people I see some people, they make, the people like, this person is doing so well, and she's not even putting so much effort. And I look at them, some of these people, their heart is as big as, they can accommodate everyone with so much love. Be good, stop hating on people. Okay, if you don't like it, how about you not comment? Have you thought about that? How about that? Must you comment on everything? Must you want your comment to be seen? If I don't genuinely like something, I don't like it, more or less comment. If I like something and I comment, then I genuinely appreciate you, I genuinely like the picture, I genuinely feel like you're looking nice. Guys, do not confuse fake friends, please. Because I know that there's some people that would have seen the person commenting on their Instagram page or whatever, or DM or anything like that, and then they now start thinking they can hang out and chill, let's have brunch, let's have dinner. Then you're now gonna be thinking that person is your friend. You're not gonna be big one or be talking or be telling the person of your life, oh, I'm trying to do this, and the person just be looking in your mind, this fool, this idiot. You're trying to shut up there or there. My dear, you have to be very, very careful, guys. There are lots of things happening in this world. A lot of things. One just has to be careful. Yes, there are genuine people who genuinely love you out there. Keep it moving, keep the love going, send love. There's nothing like when you just have peace. Not everyone is genuinely happy for you. You have to know that. At the end of the day, if nobody is talking about you, that's why I love that Two-Face song. That's still one of my best songs. If nobody talks about you, I don't know why I do not know how to sing. But anyways, what I'm trying to say is, if nobody talks about you, then you're not doing anything. If everybody's at peace with you, then there's something wrong somewhere. There's something wrong. Guys, spread love. I love you all. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Please help my ministry grow. Thank you.